In the previous part of the tutorial, we used this attachment to solve the ambulance, to accomplish the ambulance, the truck, and the tsunami missions from the first League Nature's Fury competition. And the interesting part was that we had part of the attachment. That initially is at the front of the robot, like this. But then when we move, we accomplish a mission, and then the whole attachment returns at the back of the robot. And now we have more space at the front. Let's continue with solving, accomplishing the house, and collecting the human.
Find this and more tutorials at FLLCasts.com.